Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Today, although we're the 22nd of December, let's go back in time to Middle Age. Do you remember those kind of books that they had? And the first letter was always super prominent by being much bigger and thicker and decorative and everything. Well, let's try to see how we can achieve this in 2025. Let's jump into bricks. Back into our section from the 22nd of December, I have here a text and I have the first letter being completely different than the text, but it's bringing some nice vibe to it. So let's see how we can achieve this. Let's just select our text. And of course, if you're not already in the CSS tab, just go to the Style tab, all the way down to CSS. And then I already have a couple of CSS that I put up on that text from previous tutorials. Okay, so we're first going to target the root, of course, and we're going to put column, and then we're going to put first letter, and we're going to open our parentheses. Okay, from that point, we're going to put the font size of what we want. So let's say maybe 8 rem or something. Then let's put this. You can see it's already applying something. Then we're going to put the color. So the color, let's say I want it to be variable. And then just as you can see, to force the line box to be smaller, preventing the large gap, we're going to change the line height. So we're going to put the line height. And let's put 1 point. Okay, now let's adjust the margin top to position the top of the letter correctly. Let's put margin top. And this time we're going to put a negative value of 0.1 EM. Next, we have to add the margin to the right to create a separation from the following text. So let's do this. We're going to put margin right and let's put 0.1 EM. Okay, and semicolon. And last, because it's often needed to make the margin and line height works as expected, we're going to put the display to block. And finally, we're going to put the property float and we're going to put it to the left. And just like this, we have our first letter being completely different to the rest. Okay, so you're going to have, of course, to adapt the different line height, margin, etc., to your taste and depending on the size of the letter, etc. But in the companion article, I give you the code and I already put some comment where you can actually be helped and know exactly what it's supposed to be done. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!